Hello everyone. So we got some close-up looks at the Cybertruck. Still not a production model, but we're getting closer and closer, so seeing a lot of details. So let's have a look at some of the footage and photos that came out recently. So apparently this was a meet and greet with Franz von Holzhausen. Got a look at the interior here. Close-up of the port for the Cybertruck, which has this Cybertruck logo on it. We got to look at the tonneau cover, opening and closing. Apparently there's a lot of rubber sealing because the Cybertruck's supposed to be able to go through a lot of water. Also some storage underneath the bed. Close-up of the port again, showing some of the sealing to keep water out, rubber sealant. The seats appear to be perforated, so they could have cooling. So we got a close look at that. The controls for the tonneau cover, up close. And still a question whether or not the ramp will be on the tail, as it wasn't shown here at this event. Hopefully they still have it, because that'd be a good feature. So this wasn't one of the wrapped versions that we've seen out in the wild. There's speculation that the wrapped version is closer to production version. And we saw some of these going to New Zealand for winter testing. And looking at these wrapped versions, they just look cleaner and closer to final production. This one appears to have the rims, the rim cover removed, which I don't know if I've seen one like that before. Then one of these wrapped versions that was sent to New Zealand, got a photo of it here with the front trunk open. Can't see much inside of it, but you do see how it opens and how you have easy access to put stuff in the frunk. The Cybertruck, so kind of cool to see that. We got to look at some stainless steel inside the plant. This looks like pieces for the doors on the Cybertruck. And then we got a picture with the window all the way down. There was, I guess, some questions around whether the windows would go all the way down, and you can see that here, it's all the way down. And then this is a good look at how the door opens. There must be a button there where Franz pushes and you see the window go down, and then he opens the door. So good look at that. And we also got a look at what looks to be like where the plugs will be for the 120 volt and 220 volt plugs, and possibly the connection for the air compressor, but just an empty port in this version. So a pretty good look at the Cybertruck close up, and yeah, it raises the question for me of what's happening with the tailgate and the ramp that was shown at the unveiling. Hopefully that's still going to be included, but obviously things are a work in progress. I was hoping they wouldn't have the giant windshield wiper, but it's starting to look like that's going to be the wiper that's on the truck, this one huge wiper, which not a big deal, but I don't think it's the most aesthetically pleasing windshield wiper that I've seen. And yeah, hopefully the ramp will be on the production truck, but we'll have to wait and see, I guess. So that's it for this one. My name's Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe by clicking on the wheel on the bottom right. And thanks for watching.